Hi, do you ask, is it possible to view private Instagram accounts without following them? And can you view private account on Instagram without following any surveys or verifications on online? Then I will answer you. Friends, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is Ramesh, I'm a PC technician. Let's jump to the tutorial. If you are searching online to view private Instagram accounts without following them, then I will answer it is possible or not. Let's check. So we can private our account by opening the Instagram and open the account section. Click on the menu tab here and select settings. Then if you select privacy, then you will be having private account option. If you enable it, so nobody can see your photos and videos on Instagram, but who follows you, they only can see your data. Guys, in our case, we want to see the private account without following, right? Let me tell you the truth. What we will do, we open any browser and search for Instagram private account viewer, then you will find a bunch of lists on the search engines. Guys, I'm suggesting you don't use these websites because they will put some random surveys and these are 100% scams. What they will do, they will push some scams and tell you to follow them, and once you finish the all surveys, I am sure you will not get anything. So that's why I suggest you, these are all scams. Don't use the private Instagram account viewers on online. Then how we can see the private accounts without following them? Let me answer you. For example, if you want to view any account without following them, this is not possible. I'm telling you, you should follow them. To follow, just click on the follow button. Then the request will be sent to the person. Then they should accept your request. Then only you can see their private data. Guys, this is clear. There is no other ways to view the private account details on the Instagram. Hope you got the answer. That's it, friends. This was the video on how to view private Instagram account without following them, and hope you got the answer. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.